Welcome to my channel. Do you want to memorize every country flag fast and without stress? Today, I'm going to teach you the hidden patterns behind world flags, simple color rules, shapes, and stories that make flags unforgettable. And here's the crazy part. Once you understand these tricks, you'll never look at flags the same way again. So stay till the end, because this video will become your go-to guide. You'll come back to it again and again. First, we're starting with Africa, because it's one of the most beautiful and diverse continents, with strong patterns, colors, and symbols that make the flags easy to learn. And instead of memorizing 54 flags at once, we'll break Africa into regions. Number 1. North Africa. 2. West Africa. 3. Central Africa. 4. East Africa. 5. Southern Africa. Each region has its own story, culture, and flag style, which makes learning much easier. Alright, let's start with North Africa and learn the flags of this region one by one. This region has some of the most iconic and meaningful flags in the world. North African flags are very easy to remember because they share common colors, symbols, and cultural themes. Most of them use red, white, green, and black, colors connected to Arabic history, Islam, and unity. In this lesson, I'll show you simple visual tricks and short memory stories that will help you recognize each North African flag instantly. North Africa has 6 main countries. 1. Algeria. 2. Egypt. 3. Libya. 4. Morocco. 5. Sudan. 6. Tunisia. Let's start with Algeria. The flag of Algeria consists of 2 vertical bands of equal width, green on the hoist side and white on the fly side, with a red crescent and 5 pointed stars centered over the boundary between the 2 colors. Green represents Islam, hope, and prosperity, reflecting the country's strong Islamic identity. White symbolizes peace, purity, and honesty, and also recalls the white banner used during Algeria's resistance movements. Red crescent and star stand for freedom, sacrifice, and the struggle for independence, honoring those who fought against colonial rule. Together, the colors and symbols express faith, peace, and sacrifice, capturing Algeria's national identity and its hard-won independence. The bold simplicity of the design makes the flag instantly recognizable and deeply meaningful to the Algerian people. Remember, green and white with a crescent star, Africa's biggest, Algeria. Easy memory trick. A for Algeria, A for Africa's biggest. Let's move to another country flag, Egypt. The flag of Egypt tells a powerful story in just 3 colors. Red at the top represents struggle and sacrifice, white in the middle stands for peace and hope, and black at the bottom reminds us of Egypt's difficult past. At the center stands the golden eagle of Saladin, a symbol of strength, pride, and one of the greatest civilizations in history. So whenever you see red, white, and black with a golden eagle in the middle, think of pyramids, the Nile, and ancient power. That's Egypt. Easy memory trick. Red, white, black, eagle in the middle, Egypt. With that in mind, let's look at the next flag. We have the flag of Libya. Libya's flag has 3 horizontal stripes, red at top, black in the middle, thicker, green at the bottom. In the center of the black stripe is a white crescent and star. L for Libya, L for largest desert. Libya is mostly desert, and the big black stripe in the middle helps you remember it. Let's repeat once again. The flag with the big black stripe and crescent star belongs to Libya, the desert nation of North Africa. Now that you remember Libya, let's move on to the next North African flag. Sudan. Sudan's flag has red, white, and black stripes with a green triangle on the left, symbolizing struggle, peace, African identity, and Islam, and it is easy to remember as the country that once split into Sudan and South Sudan. This bright red flag with a green star belongs to Morocco, the Red Kingdom of North Africa. Morocco's flag is easy to recognize with its bold red background symbolizing strength and bravery, and a green 5-pointed star representing Islam and unity, making it the only North African country with a plain red flag. Remember, plain red with a green star, Morocco. Here is the final North African flag. Tunisia's flag stands out with its bright red background and a white circle containing a crescent and star, symbolizing peace, Islam, and resistance, making it the easiest North African flag to recognize because of its target-like design. Remember, red flag with a white circle, Tunisia. This completes the North Africa flag set. Some maps also show Western Sahara, which is a disputed territory, so we'll mention it separately and not count it as a country in this lesson. And that completes North Africa, 6 countries, 6 flags, and simple tricks to remember them all. Let's look at the flags one more time and remember them together. Algeria, green and white with a crescent star, A for Algeria, Africa's biggest country. Egypt, red, white, and black with a golden eagle, think pyramids and the Nile. Libya, big black stripe with a crescent star, the desert nation, Libya. Sudan, colorful stripes with a green triangle. Morocco, plain red flag with a green star, the Red Kingdom of Morocco. Tunisia, red flag with a white circle, the easiest North African flag to spot. Thanks for learning with Mindbender's Quest. Follow this series to master all the world flags, one region at a time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.